Okay, so here I'm going to try and show how to use algebraic manipulation to figure out the inverse Laplace transform of an expression with the Laplace table. And so here we can see that this expression is equivalent to okay, actually 3 times 1 over s times, so we can clearly see that these are the expressions that we want to be looking at, and if we subtract 1, we can see that n is 4 here, so we need to get 6 from 4 factorial, and so we know this is the thing that we're going to be dealing with, and we have to multiply this by a fraction to get to 6 from 4 factorial. So the easiest way to do that is to divide by 4, because 4 factorial divided by 4 is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 divided by 4, and this will just give us 3 factorial, which is 6. And now minus 1 over s plus 7, but we see s minus a here, so we can just rewrite this as s minus negative 7. And now that we know the entries that correspond to these in the Laplace table, our algebraic manipulation should yield 3 times 1 plus 1/4 times t to the 4th, because n is 4 in this case, minus e to the minus 7t, because a in this case is minus 7, and this is just going to be equal to 3 plus t to the 4th over 4 minus e to the negative 7t, which should be our solution. So I hope this helped. We can actually do this for other kinds of problems as they relate to the table, but essentially this is the general method. So I hope this helped. Thank you.